It's weird. Okay. Anyway, hello guys. It's actually been a while. Okay, I guess it's working. I guess yan na talaga yung yeah. Ay magiging yan ang intro ko na it's been a while. So, ayun. Major life update. I actually am already 18 and wala lang, 18 na ako. Hindi ko alam. I have no idea if I'm going to be happy or not na 18 years old na ako. Pero I'm guessing I am a little bit of happy na 18 na ako. So, yeah. Thank you so much for my parents for supporting me for 18 years. So, anyway. I just woke up actually, as you can see. Kasi, actually dapat kanina pa ako gising around 4 a.m. For me to study for USTAT. Kasi yung USTAT namin is just around 5 days or 6 days na lang, hindi pa ako nag-aaral. So, I have no idea if I'm going to pass or not. But high chance na hindi kasi hindi ako nag-aaral lang masyado. Pero I guess nadala na kasi ako sa UP kasi sa UP I studied for almost 2 months. And then nung nag-test, parang I flop. Nag-flop ako nung nag-take ako ng UP. So, ngayon na-realize ko na what if i-cram ko na lang lahat ng pag-aral ko? Kasi, what if lang, baka makapasa ako pag nag-cram. Well, that works for me during exam. Nung exam, in our first periodical exam, nag-cram ako pag-aral. And guess what? I passed. O, nag-highest ako. So, yun. Thank you so much. Nakatabi ko. Anyway. So, ayun lang. I just want to say na magti-take ako ng Big Four. I already have my test permit for USTAT and for ASET. Pero sa ASET, hindi pa kompleto yung requirements ko. So, I have to go to school this morning. So, yun. Dapat ngayon nag-aaral ako for English proficiency. Pero, yun, mas pinili kong gumaganito kasi ayoko talaga mag-aral. So, and then, napansin ko lang na super, grabe ng pagka-procrastinate ko. I always tell myself na I will just do it later. And then yung later din, natulog ko lang. And then, sinayang ko lang yung araw ko. So, I have no idea if this is not healthy anymore. Pero, anyway, might as well as fix that. I'm fixing that anyway. We will fix that. And then, yeah, by the way, I already have my PC. That's the reason why nag-change na yung setup ng kwarto namin. Kasi back then, nandun yung table ko. And then, nandito yung bed ko. But now, I don't want to see, ayoko nang i-set up tour. Pero, hindi yung PC ko. Ay, ito yung monitor. And then, nandito yung PC ko na worth, I don't know, kalimutan ko na. Pero medyo mahal. Kasi, yung pag-usapan ng parents ko na ayoko nang mag-debut. I don't really want to have a debut party. Nag-ano na kami, parang simple celebrations dito sa bahay. And then, I bought a PC. Ginagawa ko lang sa PC nito is laro ng The Sims. So, yan lang naman. And I'm hoping, sana, if, for God's sake, like, magustuhan ko, I'm really lazy actually. Hindi na ako, wala na akong ADHD. Feeling ko, hindi ADHD yung problema. Lazy talaga ako, sis. So, ayun. Anyway, I'm gonna work on that. So, sana mamaya makaaral ako ng science and, by the way, sa USTET, magtitake ako ng LeapMed. Ayoko talaga medyo proud na rin ako sa biology, chemistry, and physics. Kasi we have those in our, SEM, dito ngayon na grade 12. So, parang medyo refresh pa siya. So, problemahin ko na lang sa, problemahin ko na lang sa chemistry, sa LeapMed is botany, physiology, and anatomy. Pero I don't want to settle. So, we're going to study. Let's clutch for 5 days ang pag-aral. So, mamayang gabi, sana makaaral ako. And mag-aaral ako, promise. Promise ko yung sarili ko. Anyway, ayun. Pag 9 p.m., mag-ayos na ako kasi aalis ako kasi magpapunta pa akong school. And, ayun lang naman. Ano pa? Ano pa ang life update ko sa inyo? Sana in the future, sana makapasa ako for UP. For UP, ADMO, USTETS, ADCAT. Sana ipasa niyo ako guys with scholarship, please. Kasi hindi kami ganyan kayaman. Pero kasi, like, nandun na kami sa parang middle class. Like, we are just middle class family, type of family. And then we don't have the money to you don't have the enough money to mag-tuition ng around 75,000 or 100,000 plus. So, wala kaming ganun. So, as much as I can, find, I try to find a scholarship. So, yun. And, ayun. I have no idea. So, ayun. And, actually, magte-take rin ako ng BUSET, the Bicol University. And yung school namin dito, local school. So, I'm guessing, 100%. Sana hindi naman 100%, pero ayaw kong mag-end up dun sa local school namin dito. Ayoko mag-aral dito sa place namin kasi wala kasing independency if ever sa college next year na um if ever college next year dito ako mag-end up sa place namin, magka-college ako dito. Kasi I will not explore anything and hindi ko may experience yung magutom kasi college dorm. So, ayun. Anyway, so I'm hoping that, kasi sige akong hope kasi hindi na ako nag-aaral. Pero please, sarili ko, mag-aral ka para makalis ka dito sa place na yun. Makalis kayo sa Naga. Anyway, ano pa? Ano pa ang kailangan kong iyap? Kasi it's already 8:47. I still have to print some things. And actually, wala na akong iyap kasi tinatamad na ako. Ganda ng PC ko actually. Nandito siya. If you can see just what I see, ang ganda ng PC ko. And nagpa-short hair ako, by the way. Hindi na siya wolf cut. Kasi ayoko na ng wolf cut. Kasi, nagpa-sentro ka lang sa amin, ang rami nang naka-wolf cut para kaming may kulto. So, I told myself na mag-short hair na lang tayo para hindi mainit and hindi ako magmukhang may kulto ako. Kasi, ang pangit talaga ng wolf cut. I do not really recommend wolf cut to anyone. So, especially sa mga bading out there, to all the women out there na bading, don't try wolf cut. Kasi it's not that great. As you can imagine. Like, mainit siya and, well, maganda kang tingnan. Pero, it's not the best. Feeling ko kasi makapal lang yung buhok ko, pero I don't like wolf cut. I hate wolf cut. So, ayan. And, ano pa? Ano pa ang iyayap natin? So, for yung mga grades ko for this first sem, it's quite good. Except lang sa mga minor subject. Well, they are minors. So, there's the reason why binabagsak ko sila. Kasi, well, minor sila. There's a reason why for me to fail them. Anyway, super nakakapagod actually. I just want to say to everyone that mag-aral kayo for college entrance exams kasi if you don't, where will you end up? Dito sa Naga. So, Trisha, if you're watching this, you might end up in Naga. So, anyway, okay lang naman. In the good side, if ever, sana hindi. Pero if ever end up ako sa Naga, maganda naman yung mayor namin. It's the former vice president of the Philippines. It's Leni Robredo. Hindi pa nag-file pa lang siya ng candidacy dito sa Naga. Pero, 100% sure na mananalo siya. Kasi, girl, that's Robredo already in Naga, running for mayor. So, yan. Yun lang naman yung maganda. Pero, the rest, wala na. Kasi botante ako ng Naga eh. So, wala pa dyan paano. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, I've been yapping for 8 minutes already. So, I guess 8 minutes is enough or are enough. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam kung plural siya or singular. Anyway, mag-aaralan yan. Anyway, I guess thank you. Ay, hindi pa. Ayun kong thank you ako. Actually, wala na akong iyayap. And by the way, I have a new chair. This is my gift for my mom. So, thank you so much, Mama. Kahit kakaaway pa lang natin kahapon. So, thank you. And then, yun ko lang na-realize na pariwara na talaga ako sa person. Hindi ko na talaga alam. Feeling ko, pariwara na ako sa person. So, yun. I don't know. Pariwara means parang I don't have my goal in my life. Kasi parang go with the flow lang ako. Which, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Pero I'm guessing, it's a bad thing na, it's a bad thing na wala kang goal sa life nyo. Pero, I don't know. I don't have my goals. So, I have to end this na kasi I still have things to do. But thank you so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed my little bit of life update kasi it's already October and wala pang nangyayari sa buhay ko and kasalanan ko naman. So, Ayan, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!